in terms of like job search and stuff. I don't have any allegiance to any particular extension here, but all I did was go to chromewebstore.google.com, search job, and yeah, I mean, here's one that says installed, but it didn't really work. I don't really have to like be married to that one. Pick whichever one you like best, really. Extensions. Yeah, just play around with some of these. The one that I demonstrated in the keynote was this one, TLHQ. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, some of them have free limit, paid tier, all that. Basically, it allows you to like job search from multiple different vendors, like different job search websites in one place, which is pretty useful. And then once you find one that works for you, then you can probably do something like, I don't know, let's do sales engineer. Let's just see. Sales engineer jobs, okay? And then not now, let's just take a look at this one, for example. And then, boom, show full description. I'll just copy all this. Okay, and then I can just ask Kiro. I'll just use Kiro. And maybe I'll upload my resume here as well. So maybe I'll make my resume also be in this documents, desktop, downloads. I don't know, where's my resume at? I think I downloaded it for the demonstration. Oh yeah, this docx, okay. So I feel like I also have a PDF though of this. Documents, downloads. I'm pretty sure I have a PDF version. Resume, downloads. No, I don't, but whatever. Okay, I'll just go ahead and put this here. I wonder, can you read resume? Copy path. I wonder if we can read a docx file. I had to press space after that paste. I can't directly read the binary documents. Let me try to extract the text content from it. Okay. Extract text content from it. Okay, cool. It got all my stuff. Okay, it's able to basically read it. And then, okay. Put it all in, for me. Put all, I like to put it in a markdown file. And then ideally, we're going to want to have PDF. I'm pretty sure I submitted a PDF when I was applying to jobs. So I'm going to put all my stuff in a markdown file, and then I can just kind of have agent hooks here that I, generate for like analyzing my resume, things like that. Resume best practices. So whatever best practices for your resume that you've learned from your career workshops, for example, all those notes that you've taken, put it somewhere in a markdown file here, and then, tell Kiro to analyze your resume based on those best practices and the job description that you want to have, that you want to, apply to, for example. I'll just copy all this. Okay. Analyze my resume and compare and boom, I could do that. I can just, so it looks like my Oracle experience should move to the top. because it's most relevant to the sales engineering roles. Amazon Web Service. Okay, cool. So maybe reorder your experience a little bit. Things like that. And I can actually create like a prompt that would go on an agent hook, like we've learned, that we can just automate this process. And then, okay, create. I'll tell it to create the resume for me and convert it to PDF. So it's creating a resume for me for that. And then, yeah, I will be also like, and imagine I'm using this, like one of these Chrome extensions where maybe it costs money to use their resume builder, and then I can just use resume builder here. Now, in terms of converting it to PDF, there's things called Panda. There's certain tools it needs to be able to use to do that. So it's just gonna see if I have any of those tools, and I don't have any of those tools to convert from Markdown to PDF. So it's gonna use one of those tools and run it. And it should be creating a resume for me in PDF format. I feel like Pandoc would probably be good. Oh, okay. Right here in my terminal, it actually says okay to proceed. I'll say yes. That's why it was hanging right here. Okay, cool. This one. This resume. Let's see if it does something now. So it's going to sleep for 30. It's just kind of waiting for 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, let's open this PDF. Reveal. I'm going to right click and reveal in Finder. And then PDF. Cool. Wonderful. Awesome. Cool, that's how you do it. And then these little Chrome extensions that we went over, some of them will help you autofill the job applications on the job search site to help you speed up the process. And just pick one that works for you and share with the group which one was most helpful for you. And that's all I got.